Oh wow, miss, your bread kinda smell bad.
Where's that?
No, I'm not this pet man, your bread kinda funky.
Go.
Show me again, I'm going on business, huh? How's man?
You smell my bread too? No.
You don't smell that?
No.
Eh,
Vomit.
Come,
Move right front of me.
stop talking. Stop
Well,
talking.
don't have
Stop talking.
batty bread me have. Don't put it in my bag.
Take this from me right now.
My bread thing.
How your name?
Good.
How your name?
Move right sir.
Move for answer? Alright, move for answer. Well, the Colgate triple action,
Listen.
that it will help you like the sour bread, like your own.
Hey, don't fucking bomba flat. You don't listen.
Your mouth kind of stink. Like, when I brush your teeth, when I follow you, but you brush your teeth this morning? You brush your teeth this morning?
What the eye?
RJ, hello and welcome back to another YouTube. My channel is 3 days. Man did some man is just helping me for my channel.
Yeah, but that's a
So what you going now? So today we are going. No, alright. More you for do the talking for my channel, isn't it?
Alright, we'll talk a phone. You see me? Today we went around. I will tell females that them bread stink. That's all. Yeah, we'll get some reaction. We'll say, oh, miss, you look nice today still. Oh, thank you. Nah, mama, your bread sour, man. Eh.
Hey, don't fucking bomba flat.
Yeah, we'll give it toothpaste and toothbrush. You know, if you see them reaction, if you make the respect more, you know?
Like, share, subscribe. You don't know. Road to 200,000 subscribers. You don't know.
The mic is strong, bro. Like,
Oh, the mic's strong.
yeah. So now edit and load your phone. Sorry, nice lady. You know where York Pharmacy is?
Our pharmacy in the middle of half a tree down the road.
I'm kind of lost.
Continue walking.
Oh wow, miss, your bread kind of smell bad.
You smell my bread?
Yeah, it kind of stink.
Alright.
Your bread sheet is man?
No.
No?
No.
Oh damn. Show me again, I'm going.
You insult me, say my bread.
Jeez, me I smell it from way over here, son.
Bread stink.
You have a house, man?
You smell my bread too? No.
You don't smell that?
No. Vomit.
Come here, eh? Take this from me.
Batty bread.
Take this from me. I am not leaving.
Don't make me back
Take
down.
this from me. Here.
Move right front of me. Move
Stop
right
talking.
front of me.
Stop talking.
Well, don't have
Stop talking.
batty bread me have. Don't put it in my bag.
Take this from me right now.
Don't come, babe. Come on out of the
So you don't want it?
No, my bread smells stink, and thanks for telling me. I can't know. My bread stink.
How your name?
Good.
How your name?
Move right.
Move for answer? Alright, move for answer. Well, the Colgate triple action,
Listen.
that it will help you like the sour bread, like your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let it out, sir.
No,
So
I left my table, sir.
Oh, are you at your table?
Yes, excuse.
So how do I give this to you?
Hey, don't fucking bomba flat ramp with me. You say me about stink. What happened?
Oh, you like that one there? Just tell your friend them about that thing there, you see me? Boom, talk about. See your mother.
So, say like and subscribe. Come on. Come say like.
Yeah, it's a waste of my time.
Come say like and subscribe.
So that-
Like and subscribe, dad. Alright, man.
Alright, brother, big up yourself. Your friend them I see up on YouTube, you know. You're famous now, you know. So, how your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa? Oh, Vanessa, come and tell us something.
Where you at, sir?
No, I don't want nobody here.
Alright,
Yeah, your bread kind of stink.
Never.
So,
Never.
now watch you know. I don't want to load.
Never.
But I smell it from right, so.
Never. Never.
Boy.
Never. Never.
Send me toothbrush.
Which one?
The cheapest one.
You have the one here. Can you use the rough one?
The cheapest one? Give me.
Never.
No man, stop that.
Never.
Just stop that, no please. Oh Jesus, yeah, kill me.
Never.
Stop.
Never. Never. Not
Give me a plate.
yeah.
No, a little bag in there.
We're not
Stop going, man. I go on too much. Come give me a hug. Come. Sorry, uncle. You know which part York, my last
York Pharmacy. Or York Plaza.
plaza. Nice same thing.
Yeah.
Bomba, your bread stink, man.
Me?
Yeah. Brush this, man.
Yeah, we are dancing, man.
Oh, you say you have a woman in here and she never tell you your bread stink, man.
I'm bread the street.
Talk again, talk again.
Bread the street.
Yeah, man. What's you know? That woman in a rate you.
Alright. Yeah.
Which part?
Right at clock out.
No, man, uncle. Show me again. Show me again. Show me one now.
You say you bring me up, you go fuck me, Sorry.
You're good. Nice lady. You know where popping young man? Where? Pop.
Yeah, so go back out in the average square.
Oh, wow, miss. Your bread kind of smells stink. I don't know, man. You ever see this, man? No? Alright, show me again. Me go on my business. No, not this. Ah, come here, look. Me have this. Me can just give you. Me not here.
I don't want it.
You want a toothbrush? Alright, well, brush your teeth. I feel so bad.
I'm lying right there. You can talk again?
You don't there, so.
Your mouth kind of stink. Like, when I brush your teeth, when I mean flow there, but when you brush your teeth this morning? You brush your teeth this morning? You miss? Miss? You brush your teeth this morning?
Hey, just go.
Clap ramp with me. You say me mouth stink, what happened? Sure. You don't know where you left and which part you left when to move my mouth stink.
Take it up now, sir.
Miss, a joke here? A joke here? Your bread does stink, a joke here?
No, this just leave me alone.
Alright.
It's a shame if my bread smell.
No, man, I joke, man.
Everybody bread smell.
Alright, sorry about that, yeah? You link my...
Take me off on the video now. That me I tell you, take me off on the video.
You tell the 2 PS?
2 years I don't wash out the water.
I got you did it.
Class, York.
York Pharmacy?
Or the plaza? Yeah.
That way there.
Oh, wow, miss. Your bread kind of smell bad.
Where's that?
No, not this pet, man. Your bread kind of funky.
Right, go.
Show me again, I'm going to go on my business, huh? Show me again.
So.
Oh, a year bread. And a year one.
Okay.
Jeez, it's a good thing me have all this too.
I know what I want. Don't worry.
Nobody has smell it from over here, so.
It's alright. Go on, baby.
No, man, take this.
Go on,
Take it as a gift, man.
No, I don't want
Miss sorry for you. Say you live with your husband and them not tell you say your bread smell bad. No, man, take this. I couldn't do that. I couldn't.
I don't want.
Take it for you.
Look here, don't make me lick you today.
No, I'm not going to leave me, but...
Don't let me call the police. Leave me. Move out of my presence.
Alright, I'm going to just lift your foot.
Excuse out of my presence, you. Who you? What's wrong with him?
You sure you don't want it?
On the backside, there.
Yes, nice lady. You know where York... York?
Never came across me, never tell her.
Stop. It did. York Pharmacy, York Plaza.
York Pharmacy.
When you go out of the stoplight here, sir, you walk straight down.
Hold on, talk again. Oh.
Spanish should just start?
No, true, I smell something funky me I want for your bread. I mean I want this thing.
You just don't drink coffee.
Your bread smell bad.
Thanks.
It's not a compliment. You brush teeth this morning? You have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Your boyfriend make you leave your house and you never tell you brush teeth?
I'm not even boyfriend.
Oh. You want some toothpaste? You see how awkward it is? Look how she's silent. A joke, a prank, a joke.
I know, me see your mind. That's why I'm not saying nothing.
What do you mean pay toes laugh? Just give me directions. That's so bad. Anyways, your bread don't smell nice. Your bread don't smell bad, it smells nice.
No,
Oh.
Jesus Christ. Please come to the party.
But can't get a number.
No.
Give me a number. Where you so? Give me a number. You go on, sir.
Lollipop.
Yeah, how much?
Sweetie.
How much?
18.
It's not no damn 18.
Why?
Because you look like you're older than me. I'm 24.
Oh.
Yeah.
So sorry to see you.
So give me a number now.
No.
Alright, take mine.
No. Oh, you have to have video people without them consent.
Because I go court 9 times and the judge said it's the man, sir.
Hello? Where's that? Bye now.
Excuse me, nice lady. You know where Pavilion Mall is?
Over there, across from the bus bar.
Show me again.
Right over there, so across from the bus bar.
Oh, wow.
Bus bar there, just across.
Sorry, miss, I have to tell you, but your bed kind of smells thing.
Yeah, that's a true, you know.
Yeah.
We get on fasting.
Oh, you're there for you don't eat? Oh, alright, watch out now. I have something for you, you know, doing now. Just for you. No, man, take it.
It's in my bag.
It's in your bag? Because your bed smells bad for you, you know?
It's true.
For you?
Yeah, me agree with you. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. Alright, my darling.
Miss. Miss, you know which part limelight there?
Oh dear.
Hmm?
Oh dear.
You can talk again?
Eh?
You brush your teeth this morning? Like your mouth kind of stink. I see you or something. Put this in there with you. To brush your teeth.
Sorry. Hi, miss. You know where Pavilion is? Tell me again?
She have to go straight back down that way.
No, miss. Your bed stink, man. Show me better there. Yes, like how me have this, we can just get it. Eh? No man, too me smelling. No, and I this bag, I tell you say it kinda sour man. Like, no man, just take this and me just.
Oh, sorry.
I don't get that bag. You know which part limelight there?
No, me not come from down here, so me not.
You can talk again?
Me not come from down here, so me not gonna know.
Like your mouth stink. You brush your teeth this morning?
Huh?
You brush your teeth this morning? Come here, no, come here. Come here now. I swear, come here. You can't go in there like that with your mouth so stink. I'm gonna get some toothpaste and toothbrush and you brush your teeth. Miss, you know which part limelight there? Talk again. You brush your teeth this morning? You don't brush it this morning? Your mouth stink like really bad. May I give you some toothpaste? No, you need it more than me. May I put this in your bag? Come on, may I put it in your bag? May I put it in your bag?
Excuse me.
You can't put the toothbrush and toothpaste in your bag. Come on, may I open it and put it in your bag? But you say you brush your teeth this morning, so may I get toothbrush and toothpaste? I'm gonna take it out. Don't shy. It's a mistake all that we can make. So may I just slide in your bag? May I give you the toothpaste and toothbrush? You take it? A pepper spray there in there? You need this more than the pepper spray where you take out. Come now. Come here, put it in your bag. Come here, put it in the bag.
What the rascal, you there?
Mom, put something in the bag now. My head drop, don't drop. Come put something in the bag now, miss. Me I tell you, say your mouth stink and it's like, you need, come drop it in there. Come drop the toothbrush and toothpaste in the bag now. You need it. You don't believe me? Alright, talk again. Talk again now. You need it, come man. Oh God, come. May I put it in there?
Leave my bag alone.
You sure, miss? Miss, you sure? May I give you a second chance? May I just give... Now give me... I say you need this more than the pepper spray, no, trust me.
You trying to be funny?
I'm not trying to be funny, I tell you the
You're
truth.
not funny.
I put it in my bag.
Don't touch my things.
So,
Don't touch my things.
I can put it in your pocket then? I'm not touch it, I put it in your pocket.
Where the devil say you come from?
See, you see, me, there's something that drop, you can't make it a drop, you can't make it to waste. May I say it in your pocket? No. I'm saying you pocket me aside, you know.
Touch me.
Me not touch you.
Touch the fuck. Touch.
No.
Touch me.
Me aside. You can't. Come here, I tell you, trust me, God send me for true. You need to brush your teeth. With them. Real. I'm just gonna line like that. This one? Come here now. You brush your teeth this morning? Brush your teeth? Yeah, I'm brushing teeth.
You brush your
I brush teeth every day. Watch out on my head.
Where Pavilion Mall is. I am currently lost. Where? Oh, yeah, fine.
Over the bus bar.
Uh-huh.
You go that way. Straight on that side.
Talk again?
You can get when you go over the bus bar.
Me not want, don't feel no way, but your breath stink.
Okay.
Good, you're not feeling no way, right? You brush, you don't here? You brush this morning? Alright, just show me go on business. Sorry, but just show me go on business. One last time, I'm gone.
Have a nice day.
Alright, well, sorry, but, may have this, can give. I buy it for myself this morning, but like your bread, funky. I don't know if I could have. I just left this right as well. Easy, man, because you need it. God bless your soul. Are we your name again?
I don't know.
Just don't talk. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Make sure you don't. You want some? Sorry, nice lady. You know where Pavilion Mall is? Where? Because me last for real, you know, man. Oh, wow. Sorry, Mama, your bread kind of smell funky, man. Eh? You have a sinus? Oh, alright, well, me have something for you. For your son. You don't want it? No, because your bread kind of... Don't worry about it? Alright.
Good evening. I can tell more for the bank there, surgical bank for my opportunity.
Oh,
Well, talk again?
surgical bank.
Your breath kind of stink. Yep, stink, like your breath stink.
In the ear,
No, when I say your breath stink, like, I smell.
your breath.
You brush your teeth this morning?
Excuse me?
You brush your teeth this morning?
You serious right now?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Sorry, make it come over here.
I'm gonna come over here. But you want to spell surgical bank? Like, this, like, let me get some toothpaste and toothbrush.
Are you serious right now?
What do you mean?
The camera over there.
Which camera?
Wow.
Which camera are you talking about?
Sit over there, sir.
No, sir. I don't know you there.
Nice prank here.
You know, which prank? Kind of prank?
Nice
Just, me I left it with you. See, me I left it with
Don't
other
do
prank.
that.
I'm not for that.
Don't do that.
What do you mean?
You're being disrespectful.
That's not disrespectful, but just be honest. Like, talk again. I think of it a prank. Nice. Hi.
Excuse me, nice lady. You know where Pavilion is? Oh. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Yeah. Talk again? Oh, sorry. So, oh, your name? Come here. I don't want to load it up. Your breath kind of smell bad. I say, you know business. You brush it this morning? No, me not. Oh, me I don't know. First party there? Oh, no, man. I smell it from way over here, sir. Eh? Me have this. Just take this. Fair grip. You don't want it? That lady's mad at me, bro. Come here. Nice lady. You know where Pavilion Mall is? No? You look nice though for two, you know. But I get shots. She saw you, bro. Sorry. I can't see your name. Huh? Oh, what? You're not talking to people? Oh. Alright, well, you look nice still, eh? Excuse me, nice lady. You know where York Pharmacy is? Show me, cause me lost. Show me again. I'm not. Oh wow. Sorry, miss. Are your breath smell bad? Mr. Tell you, come on, me feel bad. Hey, take this all this. No man, take this now. Hey. Oh, go on, good. Everything up. Eh? You know spot limelight there? Limelight. You can show me? Well, talk again?
When I go across the stop, when I go straight.
You brush your teeth this morning?
Yes.
You know your mouth kind of smell away?
You smell my mouth?
Yeah. Like, my style, I'm watching, I'm gonna give you toothpaste and toothbrush to brush your teeth. No, a serious thing. On a YouTube, a serious thing. Talk again, for real. Talk again now. I'm putting in your bag, You go and put it in your bag. I'm not putting it on YouTube. Jesus Christ. Miss, you know spot limelight there? You can talk again? No. You brush your teeth this morning? Yeah? Toothbrush and toothpaste. No, like me I say like your mouth kind of stink, that's what I ask you. Eh? What you say?
Waste your time with me?
No, I'm not waste my time, but that's what I say. Come and give you a toothbrush and... Come, I put it in your bag for me. I put it in your bag. I put it in your bag.
Yeah.
You have to go around for me.
But they think me have stuff use the mark still.
Oh.
Yeah. You know?
You have to go
So, hold on. You know, we are doing a promotion today. Can help you out, you know. Sure you don't want it. Come on, man, help me. So, suppose we go to somebody and then tell us your birth stink and me help you out. So now help me. How do you enjoy your birth, man?
You must not know me. Hello?
When is it?
Yeah. You know, hear me? Yeah. When I listen to that man, I said, brother. Which side? Put it over there. Still have video? Still have video? But does not make him see?
Yo, that man in no. I know the police man.
You know
I
what?
got caught 9 times today. That's the number.
Fucking on me, dog.
That's why I see my come here laughing at me. You guys say, watch out for that. I go for your police up in the road.
I know what it is, you know? You want, we are leave, brother, the man still in the one bag of fucking talking, brother.
Hello, ladies.
Brother, man, may I tell you, may I show